Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the basics of digital marketing. In the age of technology and the internet, digital marketing has become an essential tool for businesses to reach their target audience. So, let's dive in. Digital marketing is the process of promoting a business, product, or service using digital channels such as the internet, social media, and mobile devices. These channels allow businesses to interact with their target audience and convey their message in the most effective way. At its core, digital marketing involves four main strategies. 1. Content marketing, creating valuable and informative content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. This helps you build trust, authority, and relationships with your audience, ultimately leading to more conversions. 2. Search engine optimization (SEO). SEO is the process of improving the visibility of your website or online content in search engine results. By using keywords and other techniques, you can drive more organic traffic to your site, increasing your audience's engagement. 3. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media platforms to reach your target audience through targeted posts, sponsored ads, and effective content marketing. You can build brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and increase conversions. 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is an excellent way to stay connected with your subscribers and drive engagement. By sending targeted and personalized emails with valuable content, you can nurture leads and convert them into customers. In conclusion, digital marketing is a versatile and effective way to reach your target audience. By using a combination of these strategies, you can build awareness, drive traffic, and increase conversions. So, don't underestimate the power of digital marketing.